Welcome to this tutorial on how to use eToro Know Your Customer or KYC process. eToro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments. To comply with regulatory requirements and ensure the security of its users, eToro has implemented a KYC process that all users must complete. The KYC process is a straightforward and mandatory step that verifies your identity and helps prevent fraudulent activities. To start the KYC process, log into your eToro account and click on the Complete Profile button. You will be prompted to provide personal details such as your name, date of birth, and address. Next, you will need to upload identification documents to verify your identity. The required documents may vary depending on your country of residence, but typically include a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. When uploading your documents, make sure they are clear and legible, and that all required information is visible. You can upload your documents in various formats including PDF, JPEG, and PNG. Once you have uploaded your documents, eToro will review them and verify your identity. The verification process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of requests. You will receive an email notification once your account has been verified. If there are any issues with your documents, you will be notified and prompted to upload new documents or provide additional information. It is essential to note that the KYC process is a one-time requirement, and you will not need to repeat it unless you change your personal details or move to a new address. Completing the KYC process is crucial to unlock the full features of your eToro account, including depositing and withdrawing funds, and accessing various trading instruments. Best practices for completing the KYC process include using high-quality documents, ensuring all required information is visible, and responding promptly to any requests for additional information. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and easily complete the eToro KYC process and start trading on the platform.